Good day, everyone. So today, I want to share my understanding of what compassion truly means and how it can be lived out, not just in caring other people, not just in caring for people, but also for the environment and through communal discernment. For me, compassion is more than feeling pity or sympathy. It is choosing to step into another person's situation, to see their struggles and to respond with kindness and action. Compassion is love in motion. It moves us to do something, even in small ways, that can make someone's life lighter. Sometimes compassion begins with awareness, noticing when someone is struggling or when the environment around us is suffering is the first step. Without noticing, we cannot act. Have you ever walked past someone and felt a pang of wanting to help but didn't? That feeling, that feeling itself is the seed of compassion. It asks us to pause, reflect, and act. In caring for others, compassion is expressed in everyday situations or actions. Sorry. It is listening without judgment, helping without expecting anything in return, and treating every person with dignity. For example, when a friend is having a hard day or bad day, compassion is not just saying it is okay, but really taking the time to understand how they feel. Compassion is also about being patient. Sometimes people may make mistakes or hurt us unintentionally. Choosing to respond with empathy instead of anger is an act of compassion. It does not mean ignoring wrongdoing, but recognizing that everyone is learning, struggling, or carrying burdens we may not see. In addition, mm, compassion extends beyond people. It also applies to the environment. It means being mindful of how our actions affect the earth. Simple acts like conserving water, saving energy, reducing waste, and or planting trees are forms of compassion for the planet. So think about the plastic we throw away carelessly or the energy we waste every day. By being mindful, we not only care for ourselves but for the people who will live after us. Imagine a child growing up in a cleaner, safer environment because someone cared enough to act responsive, responsibly. That that is compassion in action. It transcends generations. Furthermore, communal discernment is people when a group of people listens, reflects, and decides together. Compassion becomes even more powerful when it is shared collectively. For example, when a community decides to support the poor, care for the sick, or protect the environment, that shared choice that that shared choice has a greater impact than any single individual effort. Communal discernment also teaches us humility. It reminds us that our personal perspective is only one piece of a bigger is only one piece of a bigger puzzle. Listening to others, even when we disagree, allows us to act with wisdom and justice. True compassion, true compassion is thoughtful, not impulsive. So, at Pan Pacific University, or also known as PU, practicing compassion individually and communally can transform our campus into a more supportive environment. Compassionate actions can be as simple as helping a classmate understand a difficult lesson, standing up for someone being treated unfairly, or participating in campus cleanup drives. Even small gestures matter. Holding the door open, giving genuine encouragement, or checking on a friend who seems stressed, and all these actions create a culture of kindness. And over time, these small acts build a community where respect and justice thrive naturally. On a larger scale, if we practice compassion as a community, the world becomes more humane. When people come to get when people come together to care for the vulnerable, protect the environment, and make fair decisions, um, we we build a society rooted in empathy and justice. Compassion grows when it is lived collectively and not just individually. Consider the global movements for climate action, human rights, or disaster relief. Every act, no matter how small, contributes to a larger change. Compassion, multiplied across communities and nations, becomes a force that shapes the world. Furthermore, compassion starts with one person, but it grows stronger when a community chooses to live it out together. By caring for others, nurturing the environment, and practicing communal discernment, we contribute to a world where kindness, understanding, and justice are central. So, I encourage everyone to reflect: how can you practice compassion today? Perhaps it is helping a friend, planting a tree, or listening more deeply to someone's story. Every small act matters. Together, these acts create a culture of empathy and love that can change lives. In the in the end, compassion is not just a feeling, it is action. It is patience, awareness, humility, and love put into motion. When Pan Pacific University, or PU, and the world embrace and compassion individually and collectively, we create a space where everyone can thrive. Let us choose to act with compassion today, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us and for generations to come.